Hello, my beautiful friends. Today I'll show you a powerful anti-aging remedy, cocoa-based face masks that can smooth wrinkles, brighten the skin, and restore a youthful glow, even at 70. Cocoa is packed with antioxidants that boost collagen, improve skin elasticity, and deeply nourish tired, mature skin. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We share natural beauty secrets that truly work. Let's begin. First recipe, lifting and glow. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of potato starch, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, Benefits: this mask helps tighten the skin, reduce fine lines, and bring out a natural glow. How to use: apply the mask to clean skin, your face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and apply a gentle moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Friends, write in the comments and tell us where you're watching from. Second recipe, hydration and smoothness. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1 small piece of banana, mash the banana. One teaspoon of milk. Mix all ingredients until smooth. Benefits: this blend deeply hydrates, smooths rough texture, and makes your skin feel soft and fresh. How to use: apply generously to your face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Use 2 to 3 times a week. If you liked this recipe, like the video, leave a comment and share it with a friend. Third recipe, nourishing and anti-wrinkle. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 Benefits: this mask nourishes dry skin, smooths wrinkles, and improves elasticity. How to use: apply a thin layer to clean skin, face, neck, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse gently and follow with moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Fourth recipe, antioxidant and rejuvenating. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1 brew green tea and let it cool. 2 teaspoons of brewed green tea, mix with cocoa powder until smooth. Benefits: green tea and cocoa work together to fight free radicals, calm the skin, and refresh dull tone. How to use: apply evenly to clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and apply a gentle moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Don't forget to subscribe. More youth-restoring masks are coming soon. Fifth recipe: brightening and toning. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of orange juice, Benefits: this mask brightens tired skin, evens skin tone, and adds natural radiance. How to use: apply to clean skin, including face, neck, and chest. Leave on for 15 minutes. Rinse and moisturize. Use in the evening 1 to 2 times a week. Avoid sun exposure right after. Sixth recipe: deep nourishment and repair. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of Vaseline, mix with cocoa. Benefits: this mask locks in moisture, softens dry skin, and helps reduce fine lines. How to use: apply to clean skin, face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Use 1 to 2 times a week. Seventh recipe: regeneration and elasticity. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1 capsule of vitamin A, two teaspoons of milk, Benefits: this mask helps regenerate skin cells, boost elasticity, and fight early signs of aging. How to use: apply to clean skin, including face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and apply a gentle moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.